Guys, remember that this is a motorhome, so it means somebody has to drive it. Who can show me the steering wheel?
I can.
Who can find the bathroom and the shower? Well, there's a door. See what's behind the door. Very good. Does smell good in here, huh? Okay, we've talked about forms of transportation, and this is a motorhome. This transports people. This big red. But what does this have to make it kind of a home that your car doesn't have? Does anybody want to know what's in here? All right. A washing machine. Okay, you guys can go on back to the back. Find the bathroom.
Go check it out back there.
Thank you. You gonna take your dad in here? Bring him on up. Have him talk to Dwayne. Bye. Thank you for coming. Adios. High five. Goodbye, young man. Amigos. Take care. Everybody, thank you for coming.
Well, thank you for letting us.
It's my pleasure.
So fun.
Hello everyone, I'm Mike Cooper, representing Longhorn RV. We'd like to thank the Mineola ISD Kindergarten classes for coming to our dealership today to discuss the topic of their choice of transportation. With the assistance of Longhorn Ford Lone Star Dodge and the capable hands of Juan Carrasco and Jonathan Lancaster, we were able to show the kindergarten class different forms of transportation, including motorhomes, trucks, trailers, as well as automobiles. The kids have been learning about transportation throughout the week and took a field trip to visit us. Again, thank you to the Mineola ISD for the opportunity to help the community and show your kids some forms of transportation that we carry here at Mineola. Thank you.